The long-in seeds lose their viability quickly, so fresh seeds should be planted. Buy good quality long-in fruits from market and eat them. Collect the seeds and soak them in water for 12 hours. You can sow the seeds directly in soil, 1 inch deep. However, you can quickly germinate the seeds in paper towel. Place the seeds on a kitchen paper towel and sprinkle some water. Fold the paper and enclose it in a polythene bag or Ziploc bag. Place the bag in a dark but warm place. The seeds will germinate in 4 to 7 days. Sow the seeds 1 inch deep in a free-draining soil. To make the soil free-draining, add some river sand in the soil. Place the pot in sun and keep the soil damp. In a few weeks new plants will grow. Carefully separate the seedlings and transplant them in new pots when they grow at least 2 cm.